Next lecture about GCP. So now we are going to set up the GCP for individual person. So sign in process is simple. You type here console.cloud.google.com. So I will post in the video as well as. So I'm going to here and opening the tab. So as I already have Google registered, so you will see here different things, the my projects, home, recent view. Then even click on mark here. I am an admin, compute service, serverless, storage, data breaks, application integration. Okay, so we go here and you need to click on getting started and then select your country and terms and service yes, and then you activate, click on activate, right side of window. The next screen, select your country and terms and condition as I said, and then account type should be the individual, and Google provide 300 credit for free, no auto charge after free and trial end, and provide your payment methods. Fill After that you proceed, start for free trial and verify the payment state, then it will come to has been suspended your account. So fill all the data, open Gmail, and then you need to confirm email, photo, cards. So upgrade your account, and so meanwhile you can also explore Google. They provide Qwiklabs. It's very good for Python as well as you can directly run on Python here. So click on join. Okay, click lab quest, you can join. So and if you want to practice directly, you can click lab, you can practice without removing. Qwiklabs.com. So begin, and you can start with here, but they need 1 credit too. This is for practice. I mean, to understand about Qwiklabs, you need credit. It's not free, I think. Buy credit, 1 credit. So you don't need to buy, you can just the practice, click login, Qwiklabs free. You can for years. So accept challenge. You also you can do some kind of challenges and they will provide for you free. Yeah, thank you for watching.